Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to the people who are always stuck to the channel, Spraga Promotion YouTube channel. Yeah, it is an amazing day in Gulu, Uganda, definitely. Yeah, you are anywhere, you are welcome to the channel. Thank you so much. So today I'm actually very happy. Yeah, I came to share out something really nice, for all our subscribers. In case you haven't subscribed, please subscribe right now because our content is all about style, fashions, entertainment, and definitely sport too. Yeah, actually receive wonderful, beautiful gift. Yeah, this gift is gonna help actually our channel Spraga Promotion to grow. Yeah, thank you so much. And of course, to the person who sent for me the gift, I'm really very happy. Yeah, I don't know actually way to express my happiness, but I'm very happy, extremely happy. Thank you so much. Yeah, so we're about to start actually, unboxing our gift. Yeah, right now. Let's go. Wow. Looks like a gimbal stabilizer, DJIOM4. Wow, this is really beautiful. Yeah. So yeah, let's see what's in the box. When I'm going to box in it, I don't know where to even to start from. Yeah, let me clear this. Where can I open from? Oh yes, here. Wow. Okay. Oh, this is our lovely gimbal. Very happy. Wow. 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 I think before anything, I need to first what is this? Okay. This looks like a bag. I think it's a bag for actually carrying it. Yeah, in case you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. By the way, this was actually a birthday gift. Yeah, my birthday was on actually this year, January 2nd, of course, each and every year. So the lovely person who sent for us the gift, our beautiful name is actually Jeremah, straight out to Canada. Jeremah, I'm here actually forge keken. I'm really happy. I've actually received my gift. Of course, it's actually ours, not actually my gift, because this is the same thing that I'm going to be using actually to do content. Yeah. I think, yeah, this is this, I think this is where you put the phone. This is lovely. This is another thing, just screw. Jeremah, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much for your material which will actually give. So our beautiful people, bye bye to holding the phone using actually, you know, my bare hands. Oh. Wow. Let me first pour on. I think this. Yeah, I think you pour on from here. Wow. So this is like for moving. I'm still taking time to learn. Definitely I know I will learn. So anybody who actually knows how to use a gimbal, kindly, I'm inviting you over to that channel, and definitely we have to really learn. I don't know, it's actually my first time actually holding a gimbal, so we need to learn together. I need to learn how to use it because I know this is a machine. I might even create damage on it. So you are a person who know how to use a gimbal, kindly, I'm inviting you over to Spragga Promotion YouTube channel. Let's share, let me learn. Yeah, I don't know how to use it, but I know I will learn, you know. So this is actually, you know, the instructions, but I think I need to first go through and operate it very well. Yeah, but I think I think this is where I actually also can start to do video, because I'm seeing sign of video here, sign of camera. This is, oh, this is for moving. Oh yeah, oh yeah, this one I don't know where to, how to. I think this is for charging. For charging, oh, this one's for charging. I don't know which one, but I know with time I will learn. Wow. So my people, thank you so much for always keeping it locked to the channel, Spragga Promotion YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, please subscribe to our channel, because you are the people that we actually I mean appreciate the more, because without you guys our channel wouldn't really go anywhere, but because of you it is actually going somewhere. Thank you so much. So please tell your friend. Thank you so much. So to Jeremah, thank you so much for this beautiful gift. I promise I'm going to use it very well. I'm going to take care of it very well. Thank you so much. See you next time.